Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add error bars in Google Sheets. For this example, we will use sample soil quality data of soils from different farmers. First, create a chart by highlighting the range of data and clicking Insert in the top menu, then choosing Chart. Once your chart appears, click on it and the side panel will open on the right. For the chart type, we can select any type under the Chart Type drop-down. Let us choose the column graph type. In the Chart Editor panel, go to the Customize tab and then click on Series. Scroll down until you see the Error Bars section. Click the checkbox to enable error bars. Now, choose the type between three options. Constant is a fixed value, percentage is based on each value, and standard deviation is based on the variation in the data. Adjust the value using the input box. Let's select constant and set a value of 10. Now, your error bars will appear on the chart. So, that is how you add error bars in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.